This is how you're able to see where your classes are. Make sure you are in the registration section, and you will already see a list of your current classes here. But for easier viewing, under the Add and Drop Courses section, click View My Schedule. You will then see the list of your courses here, and make sure you scroll over so you see the Meeting Patterns column. In here, you will see the list of all of the times of when your classes are and the buildings. The buildings are these abbreviations here. You can see where the buildings are by going to our website and clicking Visit Owens, and then under Find Your Classrooms, click Toledo Area Campus. And you will see a list of all of our buildings and their abbreviations here. In this case, for our first class, it was HH, so that means it is Heritage Hall. You can even click on the class and it will give you a more detailed description. Heritage Hall in room 158. Also, these letters here are the days of your classes. And you will see here is where you can see what these days mean. In this case, this class is just on Wednesdays, but this class is on Mondays and Wednesdays. And that's how you're able to see where your schedule is.